friends, the first one is write a program to print triangle area. Okay friends, what is the formula of triangle area? Of BH. Okay friends, of BH. Okay, let's see. As include stdio.h, as include conio.h, void main. Okay, we required how many variables? Int b, int h, and the result variable int r. For suppose by default the b value is 50, the h value is 10, resultant variable r. Okay, next r is equal to, what is the formula of b h? Printf %d r. Okay friends, okay, what is the output? Okay friends, r is equal to of b h of, what is the b value? 50. What is h value? 10. 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 250. Okay, by default we will get output as 250. Okay friends, okay, the next basic program is, okay friends, write a program to print simple interest. Okay, what is the formula for simple interest? It's PTR. What is the formula of simple interest? PTR by 100. What is the name of P? Principal time rate of interest. Okay, let's see. As include stdio.h, as include conio.h. Okay, void main. Okay, how many variables we require? Int p, what is the principal amount? For example, 10,000. Okay, what is the time period? 1 year. We will declare as months, 12 months. What is the rate of interest? 2 rupees. Okay, the resultant variable int yes, this one also int, this one also int. Okay, let's see. S is equal to p t r, PTR by 100. Okay, printf %d s. Okay, what is the output for this program? Okay, let's see. What is, okay, according to this formula, what is the principal amount? 10,000. Okay, what is time period? 12 months. Okay, what is rate of interest? 2 rupees by 100. Okay friends, what is the count? 2,400 rupees. Okay friends, what is the output? By default we will get output as 2,400 rupees. This is the simple program to find a simple interest. Okay friends. The next basic program is write a program to print square of a given number. Okay, listen carefully friends. As include stdio.h, as include conio.h, void main. Okay, in this program, how many variables we require? Only one variable. Int n is equal to, for example, we take 5. What is the result variable? R. What is the condition? Square. And R is equal to n into n. Okay, now print %d r. Okay, what is the output for this program? Simple. R is equal to n into n. What is the n value? 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Okay, what is the output? By default we will get output as 25. This is a sample program for square of given number. Okay friends, the next concept will be coming into the next video. Please watch the channel and do subscribe for more videos and other complex courses, and keep supporting us.